Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today I'm going to show you the RCX double adjustable coilover kit for this 68 Camaro. The heart of our coilover kit is our RCX double adjustable shock. The shock has a lower spring seat that's adjustable so you can make your ride height changes, has a compression dampening knob, and also has a rebound adjusting knob. There's 20 points of adjustment. So by turning the knob all the way down, that is going to make the shock more firm. All the way out is going to make the shock softer. The coilover kit is available with either a 450-pound spring or a 550-pound spring. The 450-pound spring is typically used on a small block. The 550 is used on a big block. If you have an aluminum-based LS engine, we could use the 450, or a cast iron LS engine, we would use the 550-pound spring. And of course, if you're running an all-out, more aggressive autocross type car, we would run the 450-pound spring even with a small block or an aluminum engine. A couple of options that are available for the coilover kit is the spanner wrench, the thrust bearings, and the reinforcing plates. A couple of advantages of our reinforcing plate is not only does it spread the load over a greater area, it also locates the shock so it sits nicely in the lower control arm. I'd like to show you what we've done to this 67 Camaro. We installed the upper and lower A-arms as well as the sway bar from Performance Online. But the icing on the cake is the Aldan American double adjustable RCX coilover kit. It's going to make a huge improvement on how the car drives, handles, and stops. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.